I'm going to clone some oyster mushrooms from an oyster mushroom growing set that I kind of forgot I had. And holy crap, look, there's a huge chunk of mycelium right here. That's where we're going to take our samples from for cloning. I'm going to cut a little slit into the plastic here. I just sprayed this part down with a little bit of alcohol. And now it's simply just a matter of cutting little chunks of the mycelium out and quickly placing them on the agar, like that. I'm going to wrap these in parafilm. The parafilm is a really nice semi-permeable membrane that will allow the exchange of fresh air, fresh oxygen, and it'll let excess carbon dioxide out and let fresh oxygen in, but it will keep most of the moisture within the petri dishes themselves. So I'm going to wrap these real quick, and after that, it's just time to put them in an incubator. And that is that. It's been 5 days. Upside right here, this is almost completely colonized. That's great. Yeah, all these are doing really well. These 3 were in my incubator, and you can see that they're just taking off really, really nicely. What I'm seeing, I'm very happy with that. So you can see what the growth looks like here. Yeah, these look really, really good. All right. Awesome possum.